How to enable dark mode on Snapchat. To do that, first of all, make sure that your Snapchat is installed and updated to its latest version. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone. On the search icon, you can search for Snapchat and you can install and update to its latest version. After your Snapchat is already installed and updated to its latest version, you can see the interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, on the top left corner you can see your profile. After you tap on your profile, you will again see an interface like this. And now on the top right corner you will see a gear button. And when you tap on it, and when you scroll down and down, you will see the option of app appearance on the last option before public profile settings. And when you click on it, you can click to custom app theme. You can click on always dark. You can click on always light as you like it. So changing the option to always dark will enable your feature for dark mode on Snapchat. So this is how you enable the dark mode on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.